Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to track e-commerce sales with Lendio. Tracking e-commerce sales in Lendio centralizes your online revenue, which of course helps you to monitor performance, categorize income, and to manage cash flows efficiently. Here are the steps. First you gotta do is to log into Lendio and then go to Sales Income Tracking. There, connect all e-commerce platforms, whether that be Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy, etc. And next, you got to create specific income categories for each product line or store. Then, enable automatic transaction synchronizations for orders, refunds, and fees. Now, assign any uncategorized transactions to the correct categories. You got to make sure everything is categorized accordingly. Next is to review income reports regularly to analyze sales trends. You can also adjust category rules or product mapping as your store evolves, and of course monitor fees and refunds to maintain accurate net revenue reporting. With e-commerce sales tracked in Lendio, you gain a complete view of revenue streams and can make informed decisions on growth and profitability. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you find the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.